people. So I'm waiting on my client to get here for some showings, but I guess I can show you guys like what I do when I first come in. So I want to see like what's going on with the property. And when I first come in, for some reason, I don't know why they got the door here, but I'm pretty sure they're going to take it out of here. Probably just change the doors out. But this is when you first come in. This is what it looks like. And then that right there is the kitchen. So like this is, when you first come in, this is how it looks. And it's like really, yeah, hear that? Squeaky. But here's the kitchen here. So it's a nice sized kitchen. It's way bigger than the one like we seen yesterday too. So that's really good. So I think that just only the dishwasher is probably included with the property. They don't have any other appliances. I'm pretty sure that's the only thing that's included. And then they have a closet right here too. They just got a lot of their stuff in here from actually rehabbing a house. So let's see. This is the front. And then too, they have 3 bedrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms. It's like one of the smaller bedrooms that they have for the property too. It's one of the smaller bedrooms. And then they have the bathroom right here. So they got the full bath here. Look how deep that tub is, y'all. You gotta lean over to get that tissue. Bring it to the toilet. The toilet is really low. It's like a little baby toilet. Have a little window there. But yeah, that tub is so deep. So yeah, this is bedroom number 1. It's like one of the smaller bedrooms. So do you see me? So this is like I think one of the bigger bedrooms. I can't say the biggest, but it's bigger. So it's one of the bigger bedrooms here. And then they have another, yeah, I can say that's the biggest. Compared to this one too, it still looks like it's the biggest bedroom. So you got 3 bedrooms here, and then 1.5 baths too. So this is the half bath right outside of the bedroom. I guess it's really nice. The only thing I don't like is this. I guess this would just be like just, if I was at a house, I would have this because it's not a door here. I don't know if that door that's in the front is supposed to go here, because you laying down somebody on the toilet, you know. Oh, look, and they got a chute right there, too. So, a laundry chute. So, that's really nice. And this toilet is much bigger. So, yeah, I would make this my bedroom. But I guess we'll see what they say in terms of if they want this to be their bedroom or not. But let's go and look at this basement. Let's go see what's going on with this basement. It's the dehumidifier, I guess. Out here, I'm like, I don't know if I want to come down here. Yeah, we seen this yesterday, especially in the showings if you watched the video. This is the dehumidifier. It's supposed to keep the house really dry. There's a sump pump right there. Yeah. I guess it's dry, and I guess we could say it's kind of clean down here. So this is your water meter too, if you ever wanted to know. This is the water meter for the house. And for your house too, you'll be able to find that. But it's so many possibilities you can do with this basement, because if you think about it, like look, there's the stairs there. It's so open. And I'm like against the wall. It's like so open. And they got a garage and a nice size yard outside too. So I'm going to see what the client want to do in terms of even if they want to get this house in general. I know they kind of want a living room and dining room, but since the kitchen is really big, I figured like that would substitute. Like the kitchen is big, you can make that into your dining room too. So I guess we'll be able to see, you know, what they say about this property. But yeah, that's really everything on this property, you guys. This is really a nice size basement, so they can make a bedroom down here if they wanted to. Or I can't really say a bedroom because you got to make sure you can get out one of these windows. And none of these windows, like you're able to get out of them. But you can make a rec room down here. You can make a bar over here. I will knock this wall down and get that out the way so it can be more open. I'll keep that into the laundry area. Probably cut that area out and open this up all the way. And you got parties out here. Put you a nice little bar right there. But yeah, there's so many things that they can do. But I think I hear them upstairs. So I'm going to go upstairs, you guys. And I will see you guys later.